Okay, Donovan's in his Super Soccer Stars class. Let's see him kick a... Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. He is enjoying the class after a slow start. He got going. Good job, Donovan. He's very excited. He's just jumping up and down and going round and round. All right, Donovan. Okay, let's do one more.